Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Hannah Wallace and we're here today in Toronto for Sibos 2017. Joining me is Teresa Connors from NatWest's, and we're going to be talking about new trends at Sibos such as artificial intelligence and digitalisation within payments. Teresa, thank you for taking the time to speak with me today.
Thank you.
So first off, what are the trends we've seen at Sibos this year?
Had you asked me last year, it was very much about cybersecurity, and that's still the case this year. The theme for Sibos this year is building for the future, so we have cybersecurity is very much front of mind, and let's face it, for banks and other providers, keeping customers' money safe and secure is our bread and butter, and what we do and what banks do very well. There are other themes though, of course. Regulation is one. We have initiatives such as PSD2 in Europe and open banking in the UK, which actually goes live in about 91 days' time. So it is very much around the corner and front of mind. And of course, technology. It's fantastic here at Sibos. We have all of the payments and banking stakeholders under one roof. It's a real opportunity to collaborate with fintechs and other stakeholders to develop solutions that will solve customer pain points and really enrich and enhance their financial lives.
And I think you've touched on new technologies such as artificial intelligence. How are you using artificial intelligence to better serve your customers?
We're using it increasingly in our business. In 2016, we developed something called Assist. We did a pilot with it in our retail bank under NatWest's. And it has its own unique personality. So customers will go online to do the web chat, and it will answer questions really, really quickly for our customers, sort of frequently asked questions. It can go through reams of data, literally in seconds, far quicker than a human being. And what that enables us to do, first of all, it gives our customers a much quicker, slicker experience, but also it frees up our advisors as well, our human advisors, to answer the more complex questions that our customers have too. And that's been a really key and good investment for us as well, because that platform is being used in other parts of our business as well. We use it internally actually as staff. So for some HR solutions, there's a bot. It is our virtual assistant where we can, on our own online systems, it'll answer our HR queries for us. It has, in our customer space, it has quite a unique personality as well. We've tried to give it sort of very human characteristics as well, so that you don't feel necessarily that you're talking to a machine, I suppose. And in our commercial business, we're piloting actually at the moment some AI to look at our covenant management. And it can go through reams of unstructured data really, really quickly, and is helping us manage our business in that instant. And the artificial intelligence there actually has optical character recognition, so it really is quite advanced, and so it helps us enormously in the management.
And finally, from your point of view, how do you think banks can further drive digitalisation within their payments business?
I think it's worth remembering we've actually come a long way. In the UK, 98% of payments are already electronic, be that with a mobile wallet or cards, that sort of thing. So we've come a long way. Not everybody though, we're not all equal when it comes to technical know-how, enablement, that sort of thing. So in fact, in our NatWest branches, what we've done now, every branch has something called a techspert, which is for people who are less comfortable with technology. There are experts on hand to show them how to use the different pieces of technology that exist in the branch, and just to sort of ease them into the process and to show them and to get them more comfortable, because not everybody is. We need to remember that, because we talk a lot about the digital world, but not everybody is as far up the digital curve as one another. So that's important to note. Another way in which we're using digital in our business is in our Coots business with something called BioCatch, and it's really helping us in the war against fraud. Each of us has a unique profile, whether we're aware of it or not. When we're using online banking, we have unique mouse strokes and pressure points on the keypad and stuff like that. BioCatch identifies about 40 or 50 measures that are unique to each of us to make sure that actually it's me that's logging onto my account or you that's logging onto yours. And it's a really good tool for us and our customers to keep them safe and secure from cybercrime and fraud.
Teresa, this has been very insightful. Thank you for taking the time to speak with me today.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching.